What's up, guys? In today's video, we will be covering on Doing the Grape Song, animation made by yours truly. Enjoy.
Geography, religion, achievements, politics, economics, social structure. Geography deals with location, neighboring countries, and natural resources that affect the population. Religion is all about worship, a people's beliefs and how it affected daily life and the government. Achievements include a society's contributions, architecture, art, inventions, and mathematical solutions. When discovering a new civilization, using grapes will help you learn the ins and outs of a nation. Geography, religion, achievements, politics, economics, social structure. Geography, religion, achievements, politics, economics, social structure. Politics regard those in power. Do the people have rights and freedoms, or are they forced to bow down and cower? Economics can be very complex. Who do they trade with? What are their jobs? Are they farmers or do they cast fishing nets? Social structure is about the people. Are they segregated? Are they stratified? Or is everyone equal? When discovering a new civilization, using grapes will help you learn the ins and outs of a nation. Geography, religion, achievements, politics, economics, social structure. Geography, religion, achievements, politics, economics, social structure. Geography.
Thanks guys for listening in. Thanks guys for listening in. To just clear this up, this song was created by someone else, not me. The animation was created by yours truly, not the song. Bye.